Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I will show you today the very most beautiful place, Abraa in Dubai. So now I want to go Bar Dubai. So I will show you this the very beautiful place. You can look it here. Me and Sacha sitting in the this boat, and I'm going to Bar Dubai. So you enjoy all people this my vlog, and we have Chacha and Chacha with me, and I'm best friend. I'm together from 10 years working together here in Dubai. So you look at this beautiful place and beautiful area. It's Dubai day by day is going up, not same like Pakistan. So I will show you this all places and beautiful areas. So you enjoy this.